gonna drive the Integra today. Hasn't been driven in like a while, and I hope it starts. And I gotta get the keys in my girlfriend's car because she blocked me in. There's a big old driveway, she has to park right in the middle of it. Very back. Now that that is out of the way, hop in this antique of mine. This is my 98 Integra. Ooh, she's an old girl. She's got some miles on her. She never gets driven anymore. Well, it's kind of sad. Whoa, she lights up like a Christmas tree. There we go. All right, let's go for a ride. I don't even know if anyone can hear me in this thing because of how annoying these motor mounts are. But it's got the Hasport mounts in here, and they're annoying, but I like them. First like real GoPro since like the first GoPro, because I bought the first GoPro and that's the only GoPro that I've had until I bought this 8. And from going from not having the ability to see what I'm aiming at to see what I'm aiming at on 2 devices, the camera and my phone, that's pretty cool and I like it. I just hope I get better at this whole camera angle editing thing, because I already know that I suck at it, but I feel like that's something that you just learn over time. The leaves are finally starting to fall here in Tennessee. All my friends up north are already leafing lower yards, and we're still really green down here. It's filthy car. I really want to case swap this car. I think that would be like the best thing I could ever do in my life. Just get like a Type R K-Series, do a complete swap. I've watched everybody do it, and it seems like hybrid racing is like the kits to go with because they make it completely painless. And I'm kind of all about that painless stuff. Somebody crashed. Turn that the fuck down. It'd be my luck. As soon as I put my GoPro in my car, a cop has to come by. And there he goes. It was supposed to be fun, but now the police are involved. I can't get any tickets. For a living, and I drive a commercial vehicle. And I've already got 2 tickets last year. Maybe sign a piece of paper saying I won't get any more tickets, but I gotta have somebody drive me around. I don't want them to have to give me a full-time escort, so it's gonna be good. Back in the car seat. insurance thought it was insurance fraud and didn't help me out the second time it got stolen. My birthday's in the VIN number, so I'm kind of really attached to this car because of that. And yeah, I don't plan on ever getting rid of it, and I don't want it to get stolen again. Hasport motor mounts. Your door mirrors are absolutely useless. They just vibrate. Everything in there spinning in a circle. You can't tell what is what. Can't tell it's cop or regular car. It's just, I mean, this is the only one that's useful. When I first put these, what was in my pocket? When I first put these motor mounts in my car, I had to have earplugs in the whole time I drove it. I was driving to Scene Chattanooga and back to Fairview, Tennessee. It's a 2.5 hour drive. And this thing, the faster you go, the quieter the vibration is. So the higher the RPM range, the smoother this thing is. So I was keeping earplugs in my car. And I still got just so I could tolerate that drive. I could have driven my truck. My truck at the time was a 96 Chevy, and it just drank gas and had no power. And I sold that thing and bought a 2016 6.7 diesel F250, and that seems to be the truck that I need. It's got all the power I need. It's got all the towing capabilities that I need, and it just doesn't suck. I used to be a diehard Chevy guy until both my brothers switched over to Ford, and I'm like, well, it's probably telling me something. I'm back from Walmart. I had to get milk and hash browns so I can cook breakfast. Oh, I really hope you guys can actually hear me when my car is actually running. I'm sorry my shirt doesn't fit. I didn't buy it. Girlfriend's stepmom bought it for me. Is it just me, or is it whenever anyone comes to fucking Walmart, they just forget how to act like a normal human? I don't think that's just me. I do. Oh, where's the milk? battery sway bars, and I'm running the Advanti Storm S2s. As far as wheels, they're 15x8. They got the same offset as like a Cozy. And then the Falcon Azenas, 205 55s. And this thing handles like a dream. Tires are wore out though. They've been on here for like at least 10,000 miles. And the front ones are just completely fucking gone. For a tire that handles as well as it does, it sure does disappear quickly. But I guess if you're looking for something to give, I mean, that's going to be your give. I'd rather give tread than give traction. So. It's funny, when I moved to Tennessee, one of my southern friends gets in my car, and like the first time she's been in like a lower Honda. The first thing she says to me, she says, "This thing rides like a hay wagon." Seems like a good way to put it. For as stiff as she rides, yeah, I guess it is like a hay wagon. Chainsaw testing stuff. I love chainsaws. I got 11 chainsaws in my garage right now. Quite a few of them are the older Homelite aluminum bodied chainsaws. Back when they had push button oilers on them. I don't know why, I just love chainsaws. It's like my little addiction right now. But I am about to bag this thing in the driveway. It's never fun. I'm glad this clutch has like a stock feel to it, I can actually use it. It's just the XZD Stage 1. XZD. Horrible. Fuck no. This thing has to sit perfect or I can't get past the sidewalk behind it in front of my garage.
think that's perfect. Okay, bye.